Hey YouTube, this is my first video on raising tilapia. Got a lot of questions on this process. This is a breeding colony, a brand new breeding colony we have. What we are a home for ladies that are struggling with substance abuse. We're going to be having aquaponics greenhouses that will be going up here in the real near future. We have the greenhouse, land is being prepared right now, leveled out, and here in the next few weeks we'll be putting up a greenhouse. But we decided to go ahead and get our breeding colonies. We have two breeding colonies here, so which you can look at right here. This is our lower ones here. We have we decided to have two breeding colonies, and these fish here are larger, more mature. 2 males, 4 females in this 55-gallon aquarium. Basically, I've gained my knowledge off of YouTube, watching lots of YouTube videos. As I said, these tanks have been up for about a week. And again, this is tank number 2 here. This is a smaller colony, younger colony, I guess I should say. In this tank here we have 6 females and 2 males. These tilapia came from Triple B Tilapia in DeMont, Indiana. Jeff Martin, thank you so much for selling us these fish and shipping them to us. If you're looking for fish, I encourage you to call Triple B Tilapia. You can find them on the internet. These are beautiful blue tilapia that we have purchased from them. Our tanks are set up, and right now we're trying to get all of our chemistry correct on the tanks. These fish have been in for about 4 days. I have had to turn the tank once already. Yesterday I drained the tank. We're having trouble. This is well water, and it's really good well water. It tests out great. The only problem I've had is with pH rising pretty high. The total alkalinity score is really high on the initial test, and also since our filters are not totally seasoned, or whatever you want to say, we're having trouble until all of our bacteria gets right. So I've actually drained this tank half yesterday, and which helped lower the pH, also helped lower the ammonia that we were having. The ammonia was around 4 parts per million, so we needed to get that down. So if you have any suggestions on getting a tank correct, I would sure love to hear from you. This tank here today, I took it down half, took about 25 gallons out, and something that I'm doing that I learned off of YouTube is I basically have a drum of water here that I've got a heater inside it and bringing up temperature. This comes straight out of my well, and it pH is like 7.4, so all the chemistry is great on the water coming out of the well. It's just very cold, so I've dropped a heater in there. So when I turn my tanks over, I have warm water up. I'm trying to keep my temperature is staying at about 84.4 on both tanks, and trying to just feed the fish what they will eat and no more, feeding them 3 times a day. I did stop feeding these fish for 24 hours because the water was in bad shape, and now they're hungry. I fed them twice today. They're doing good. So if you have any suggestions on getting the chemistry right on, and I really don't want to use pH down a lot. I would really like to do this naturally. I know from what I understand, tilapia for breeding, pH needs to be between 8 and 8.5. So if you have any other suggestions, I'd be glad to take them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to hearing from you. And as we go through this process, I will bring more videos on our venture with aquaponics. Have a great day.